Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from HomeAdditionPlus.com, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a rotted out electrical outlet mounting block. So I have here an electrical outlet mounting box that is just really rotted out, just totally destroyed from water. And I'm going to replace it now, but first I'm going to turn off electrical power to this outlet. So to do this project, I'm using a portable table saw, a pry bar, screwdriver, a Sonic Rockwell plunging tool for making plunging cuts, a tape measure, a hammer, some primer / paint, some 8D galvanized finish nails, a carpenter's square, and a paintbrush. So the first step after turning electrical power off to this outlet is just to remove the screws that are holding the faceplate to the electrical outlet box. So now what I'm doing is using my pry bar and hammer just to basically knock out this mounting block. Basically after I pull it out, I'm going to remove all the nails. We'll start from scratch. I want to be taking care here though that you don't damage the siding in the process. As you can see here, it's just falling apart as I pull it apart. So I've just used my square and my table saw to cut a 8-inch length of the 1x8 material to make the electrical outlet mounting block. So now I use my square measuring tape to find the center point of the block of wood relative to the dimensions of the board. And then I also measured the electrical outlet box dimensions. And again, from the center origin, if you will, of the center of the wood, I went out the corresponding 1.25 inches for 2.5 inches by 1 3/4 inches, so I get 3.5 inches for the vertical length of the electrical outlet box. And now I'm using my Sonic tool from Rockwell to make my plunging cuts into the material to cut out the hole for the electrical outlet. And so now with the electrical outlet hole cut out for it, we're going to lightly sand the area and then prime it, paint it, and then we'll nail it up in place. All right, now with the board painted, we're going to just slip it in place. Go around the outlet, around the box. Underneath the flashing here, and we're going to just push it into place. And with the board in place, I'm just going to attach the electrical socket back into the box using my screw gun. And now I'm attaching the outlet faceplate cover along with the foam insulation pad that prevents any water from getting in behind it to the mounting board. And so with the outlet firmly secured to the mounting block, I'm just going to nail the mounting block to the side of the house. And lastly, I'm just going back and painting over the wood one more time to cover the nails, and this project will be complete. And that's all there is to it, to replacing an electrical outlet mounting block. Remember, if you have other home improvement questions, visit us at HomeAdditionPlus.com today.